Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be redeeming the CYBERPUNK wolf hat, which is a Prime Gaming, you know the Prime Gaming code, and I got it. So it's in my hands right now because I have Prime Gaming, YJ, SN, UQ, 4 F, VC, 4 Z. It's the code. Let's redeem it. Verification, right? I think it needs verification. Just wait a sec. It'll work. What the? What? Wait a bit. What the hell? Is it not working or what? I think it's not responding correctly. Sorry. Okay, let's see if it's working or not. Please work. Okay. Last time. What's it again? Okay, I see it for FVC. Or delete. Good. Come on. Do it. God, this is taking a long time to redeem it. Oh, do I already have the thing in my account? Let me go check my hats. Let's see if I already have it. Clothing. Accessories, head. I have it, guys, look. I have the CYBERPUNK wolf hat, finally. So basically, it wasn't working properly, but I've already got the CYBERPUNK wolf hat, and see, that is in my inventory right now. Make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure to like the video. Make sure to turn on the notifications so I never miss a single video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.